有錢存折 Connie。今晚呢台服裝 show 由順子同 Connie 編排嘅，佢哋花咗大量嘅時間同去編排呢次嘅 show， 非常感謝佢哋抽出寶貴嘅時間，俾啲掌聲佢哋啦，唔該。Thank you for Chunji and Connie. The fashion show tonight was oranges. So Chunji and Connie, they spent a lot of time for the music and show. Thank you. 今晚嘅國風情漢服 show 精唔精彩啊？Our fashion show is really exciting. 國風驚豔，正所謂錦繡入長安，做一回盛唐富貴花。That's our traditional cultures. It's a really beautiful show. Thank you. 有請 Connie 同陣子歸位。音樂唔該。